Hey folks, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin, and I have a great video for you to start making money online, baby. Listen, what if I can show you right now how to make $977 for free downloading ebooks, okay? And upload it to another website and they will pay you, okay, to do this. All right, so look, let me show you here. Now that's my YouTube channel. Feel free to smash the like when I give you massive value. Now, this is the site you want to go to. It's called indigitalworks.com, okay? Write that down, big head. indigitalworks.com. Stop looking at my feet, okay? I know they're gorgeous, right? Look at them. Oh my God, they're so pretty. Okay, look, focus. indigitalworks.com, all right? And listen, it is free to register. Let's go to the main page here. This is basically high quality PLR products you can feel good about selling to your customers. So basically this site is where you can go to get ebooks where you can resell. Does that make sense? Let me say that again slowly. This website, say if you don't have time to write an ebook, say if you don't even know how to do that, you can go to this site. You can download a free ebook. I'm gonna show you how to do this for free, and you can resell it, okay? It's just like Tylenol and aspirin, right? Aleve and Advil, right? It's the same pill, but different packaging. Make sense? It's called white label, private label. Everybody does this. And let me show you proof that I'm making money. Hold on, let me show you something. Look at this. Hold on. Look at this. Let me show you proof that Daddy Wesley Virgin is making that cash. Let's get. You see this right here? I'm up $1,000 today using this method here. This is my merchant account, okay? $1,000. And as you can see here, September 1st, you see that date there, okay? And 9/1/2000. So it's real. And I'm going to show you for free how to do it. Now listen, if you don't follow these steps, then it won't work for you. If you don't take massive action right now, it won't work for you, okay? I'm just giving you a very simple way to do this. All right, step number 1, go to indigitalworks.com. Write it down. Step 2, go to free products here. Scroll down to free ebooks, okay? Now the question is this, Wesley, there's a lot of ebooks on this page. Which one do I use to make money with? Which one do I download? Well, it's definitely not chat box marketing. Okay, no. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the ebook that I use currently right here today that I resell, okay? And how I make that $1,000. You see that? I'm going to show you the exact book right here. Smash the like button if you are excited about the value that I'm giving you right now, okay? I'm going to give you the book because I know what you're thinking, man. Wesley, so many books. Which one can I make money real fast on? I'm probably the only internet marketer will let you know the book that you need to download right now to start making the money, okay? So let's scroll down here. And as I'm scrolling, go ahead and like this video if I'm giving you massive value. Fit to be pregnant. Nope, that's not it. Nope. Here we go. Instagram monetization checklist, okay? This is what you want to download right now for free, okay? It's master resale rights. It is free to resell it. You download it for free. Hello, can you hear me? For free. Cause I know a lot of you you're scared to spend money. Look, so you hit the word download, okay? So now what you got to do is you have to take that download and you need to put it on another website so you can start making money and start selling it, okay? Now listen, just stay with me. I made a promise to you because I want to earn your like right now. And I know you're feeling good about this. I know you're excited. Let's go! Can I get a let's go, please? Come on. If I'm giving you massive value, in the comment section below, you know, hey, it's all good if you want to come in. Let's go! So listen, now, once you download that book here and you have that saved on your laptop or maybe on your phone, now you want to go to a site that's called gumroad.com. Let's go to it together. Gumroad.com. It's like chewing gum. You hear me? Don't you hate people that smack like that? I can't stand. Like my dad, he smacks like this. This food is so good. I'm like, Dad, stop smacking. All right, listen. So it's gumroad.com here. And this site, you're going to take that ebook. It's free. Okay. It's free to create a free account. You don't need to buy anything. As you can see here, I have an account. It's right here. I don't have to upgrade of anything here. And what you want to do is you want to basically upload that ebook here. Okay. People on this site have earned over $330 million. Can you imagine earning like a fraction of that? That means you can come out of the ghetto, you can leave your job, you can take care of your family property, and you can be with me in this beautiful Miami property here, condo, enjoying life. This is why I look so young. So check it out here. Now you want to scroll down, okay? Because what you want to do is start selling, okay? So, as you can see here, I already have a product here, so we're going to click on this. So what you're going to do is you want to create a brand new product, okay? I'm going to go to the product that I've already created here. I did it just for you. Copy this, okay? What are you creating? The name of it is Instagram Monetization Checklist for Newbies, okay? To make money. See that? So you want to use this verbiage, or you can spice it up a little bit. It's up to you if you're a good copywriter. In the description, want to make a ton of money using your Instagram account? Let me change that. Sorry guys, I just burped. I got gas. I apologize for that. That is so not professional. Look, use IMC. IMC means Instagram Monetization Checklist. I just made that up actually. And discover how to start earning cash from your pictures and posts, okay? And then you're going to upload your image. And I got this image from, let me show you the secret site where I got that image from. Let me show you, look. From here, duh! You just do this. You either screenshot it, or you right click if you have a Macintosh, and you just download the image. That's all you do. Oh my God, I'm exposing so many secrets. Internet marketers are going to be pissed at me. Because this is how, I mean, to be honest with you, like I've earned about $30 million. I remember when I used to make like $5,000 a month, and I thought I was just balling. But now I make about $5,000 every couple of hours. And I'm in Miami just relaxing. I'm not working hard. I don't believe in that. I believe in working smart. And that's what you got to do. You got to learn how to work smart. Okay? Talking to you. Okay? Now listen. You upload the image here. Okay? The button is going to be called I want this. Because what's going to happen is people are going to see this and they're going to buy from you. Okay? And then you want to spice it up. You can add some details if you want to. You see that? If you want to add details, it's up to you. You can put the value is $997. That's what I think the value of this monetization checklist is. It's really good. Okay. You can add more content. The pricing is $49. This is how we're able to make that money, right? We're charging $50 for it. Okay. So that means imagine if you get 10 sales, just say if you get 3 sales a day, that's $150. That's almost what? $5,000 a month, right? So how many of you, I mean, everybody can do this. I swear to God, you have billions of people online and you're telling me that you can get 2 to 3 people to buy this every day, just 2 to 3 people. That's it. A lot of you sit at your job and work for 8 and 10 hours a day. You make $8, $10, $20 an hour. Think about it. If you made $20 an hour, that's only $160 a day. That's poor. Okay, that's broke. Here, if you sell about 3 of these, right? You sit in your massage chair like me. You look at the beautiful ocean. Maybe you don't have an ocean. It's all good. One day you will. And you just start selling. And I promise you, I'm gonna show you guys how to send traffic to this, okay? Is that cool? Because I do this. I do all types of things on the internet to make a ton of money. I swear to God. I'm to the point now, and smash the like button if you can hear me clearly. Like every 60 days, I create a new company. My goal is every 30 days, I will create a new passive revenue source, okay? And you can do it too if you follow me, you listen, because most of my content is free, okay? And then you hit save changes, okay? And then when you publish it, this is the link that you're going to use basically to see the page, okay? Does that make sense? Makes sense, everyone? Did that make perfect sense? Now the question, understand this. This is where your content is going to be placed on this website. It's almost like a web server, basically, but they make it super easy. It's like ClickFunnels, but it's free. You know what I mean? And you can design it how you want, and you can host it here. And when people come to the page, they have an opportunity to buy the product. Now, the question is, how do you get traffic? Okay. Hit the like button if you're getting massive value right now. Okay. Question, Wesley Virgin. Okay. Wesley Virgin the fourth. How do you get traffic? Here we go. Let me show you how to do it. Go to your Facebook account. Go to your Facebook account here. Okay. If you have Facebook, get it. It's free, by the way. And what you do is, since we're going to be targeting, write down the word targeting. You're going to be targeting Instagram people, okay? Instagram growth. That's what I would do. So what I do currently, well, I have a team that does this for me, actually. I don't really do it anymore. I used to do it when I was broke and poor and average, eating ramen noodle sandwiches. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, did you actually eat a ramen noodle sandwich? Yes, I did. And it tastes good. I'm telling you. Look at that. Instagram daily engagement group, Instagram influencers. So I would join all these groups, and basically I'm going to introduce my link to them, okay? I'm going to introduce my link to all these different groups, basically, that I just created on the site, gumroad.com. Make sense? That's it. These are people, these are clients here. These are future prospects. You don't have to leave your house to make money online. I just showed you how to do this. You drive traffic. Another way, a lot of you have an Instagram account, obviously, because you're watching this video here. Even if you're on YouTube, right? If you have followers, then what you do is you just DM everybody. Say, hey, check it out. You want to learn how to monetize your Instagram account? They're like, absolutely. You want to learn how to make 1,000 or 5,000 a day using your Instagram account? Yes. Well, here's the checklist. Give them your link. And look, you can send it to thousands of people every single day. And all you need is a few sales. Listen, 2 sales a day. It's going to make you about, what, $3,000 a month. Does that make sense? If you want me to save this video, like and share this. If you are loving Wesley Virgin right now, go ahead and give me a like and leave a comment below, and I will keep creating more videos. And always put your country or where you live on this beautiful planet here, so I can make sure I pinpoint. I believe this is worldwide. I'm not sure. You have to check it for yourself, okay? And listen, I'm going to be honest. This is not going to make you a multimillionaire, okay? This is not going to make you a multimillionaire. But I remember when I was struggling, like most of you, I get it. You know, this was like a dream, right? I remember when I was begging God to make money. I was reading the books. I was meditating, using affirmations. I went to Tony Robbins' event, walking on fire. I did it all, right? But listen, even those things are important. That's not enough, okay? You have to educate yourself. Let me log into one of my accounts here. I just want you to see how much money that you can potentially make if you start to take action every single day, okay? I devote my life to training people that are brand new people just like you with big old heads, right? To make money online. As you can see here, we have $2,800 for today, okay? Actually, it's a little bit more, I think. It's $1.2 million in the past, like 5 months right now. And what I do is I show people how to do this, okay? Does that make sense? In the link under this video here, okay? In the link under this video, okay? Let me turn this camera around. In the link under this video here below, I have a link where I teach you how to create a product, digital product, fast, okay? That if you listen to everything that you see in that link below, it's no reason why you can't make your first $10,000 a month, okay? I can't guarantee you that, but I can virtually guarantee if you listen, you click the link, you follow the instructions like you just did in this video here, it is no reason why you can't make your first 10 grand per month. It's so simple. But most people like yourself, the reason why you never make any money in business is because you don't believe in yourself. You don't believe that you can do it. Listen, I've been there. I've lost cars, homes. I've slept on air mattresses. I've had cars that I had no AC. I get it. All right? You can always use your excuses or why you can't do anything. You can always call people like me, oh, he's a scammer. He's going to take your money. Blah, 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 blah. Well, listen. You can either be that way and be a piss poor person, or you can take ownership and just take action towards something that feels right to you right now. I'm giving you an opportunity. The reason why I give these opportunities is because I don't want any one of you to ever say that you didn't have an opportunity to start to change your financial world. Okay? You can do it. Look at me. You can do it. Listen, I'm not saying this that is going to work like immediately. Some people, they can make money in 24 hours. Some people it takes a week. Some people it takes 6 months. But what I'm telling you, it doesn't matter how long it takes. The only thing that matters is that it will happen. See, this is what you have to like ingrain in that big old head of yours. That it will happen. I'm no smarter than you. I just take action more than you do. I don't have a college education, right? I'm a little crazy, right? Let's go! But I'm making tons of money, okay? And I understand the fastest way to be successful is to take massive action. When you hear something that makes sense, you just do it. If it don't work, do it again. And keep doing it until it works. This is Wesley, billion $1 billion version. Motivated, dedicated. Let's go.